سلام، من مجید هستم. Today we're gonna learn some compound verbs which have a kind of prefix before the main verb. Some examples are here. The list can be wider and wider, but most of the verbs in this category are very formal and you don't hear them in daily conversations. From this list, I have chosen only 5 verbs because they are difficult. 5 verbs for our examples today in this lesson. برداشتن، برگشتن، برگرداندن، پس دادن، پس گرفتن. So as you can see, these are prefixes. You see we have bar, then we have pas, dar, پیش، فرو, and so on. Let's take a look at the stems of these 5 verbs. We have برداشتن. The prefix is fixed. We don't do anything with the prefix. We go to this part, داشتن. The stem of داشتن is dar. We learned before that the verb داشتن is irregular. So we say دارم، داری، داره, and so on. And we don't use me as our common prefix for present simple for داشتن, but because here we have a compound verb with this prefix, we have to use me. So we say برمیدارم، برمیداری، برمیداره, and so on. Next verb is برگشتن. The stem is گرد. برمیگردم، برمیگردی، برمیگرده, and so on. The next verb bargardaandan or informal bargardaandan. So the stem is gardun, informal, or gardan, standard, formal. برمیگردونم، برمیگردونی، برمیگردونه, and so on. The next verbs are pas دادن, to give back. So the verb is دادن. We learned it before. The stem is de. Pas gereftan, to take back. Gereftan, we had it before. The stem is gir. Pas midam, pas midi, and so on. Pas migiram, pas migiri, and so on. Let's go to the examples. The first verb, bardaashtan, I think is the most important one in this list. It's very popular in daily conversations and you have to learn it very well. It means to take, to pick up. Sometimes it means to remove. I will take this. I think it is more beautiful. این رو برمیدارم. I will take this. Take, برمیدارم. به نظرم قشنگتره. I think it is more beautiful. The next example. Don't worry. He won't take yours. نگران نباش, don't worry. He or she won't, here we have negative. بر نمیداره, won't take, بر نمیداره, yours, مال تو رو. The past tense of داشتن, as you know, is داشت, and then we have the fixed prefix here. So برداشت, you have to use برداشت in your sentences. I couldn't find my umbrella. I took yours. Sorry. چترم رو پیدا نکردم. Maybe it must be I didn't find my umbrella. چترم رو پیدا نکردم. I took yours. Took. برداشتم. Yours. مال تو رو. If you'd like to support me and if you'd like to have extra content like listening practice exercises, quizzes, more lessons, vocabulary exercises, join my Patreon. Did you take the key? کلید رو برداشتی. Did you take? برداشتی. Imperative examples. Leave me alone. دست از سرم بردار. This is kind of idiom. Literally it means take your hand off my head. Means leave me alone. Take this and put it there. این رو بردار. Take this, or perhaps you can say pick it up. این رو بردار. بذار اونجا and put it there. Examples with modals. Can I have or can I take another one? میتونم یکی دیگه بردارم. Can I take؟ میتونم بردارم. I just had a lesson about another, about the word دیگه in Persian. If you have not watched it, the link is here. We have to remove the table from here. So here we have the verb remove for برداشتن. باید میز رو از اینجا برداریم. باید we have to میز رو the table از اینجا from here برداریم. To remove, to take it from here. Let's go to the next verb برگشتن, which means to return, to come back. I don't know when she will return. نمیدونم I don't know when کی she will return. برمیگرده or she returns. Present simple or simple future in informal Persian is the same. برمیگرده. So the stem is گرد. برمیگرد. And then because of she. I'm leaving or I leave and I will never come back. من میرم. I'm leaving, I leave or I leave و دیگه هیچ وقت and will never بر نمیگردم. Negative. Will never come back. بر نمیگردم. Let's have an example in present continuous. The road is closed. We are going back home. جاده بسته است. The road is closed. داریم برمیگردیم. As you know, this is how we make present continuous. You have this, داریم. We برمیگردیم. Stem برمیگردیم because of we. Simple past or present perfect. They went out in the morning and have not returned yet. از صبح رفتن بیرون or you can say صبح رفتن بیرون. They went out in the morning. هنوز بر نگشتن. They have not returned yet. بر نگشتن. It's simple past in Persian, which is used both for simple past and present perfect. Why did you come back so soon? چرا اینقدر زود برگشتی؟ چرا اینقدر why this much soon برگشتی؟ Did you come back? Imperative examples. Go but come back soon. برو go but ولی but زود برگرد. So the imperative form is برگرد. Turn back. I want to see your face. برگرد. برگرد here means turn back. Means show me your other side. I want to see your face. میخوام چهرت رو ببینم. Examples with modals. My boss called. I have to go back to work. رئیسم زنگ زد. باید I have to, I must برگردم. I must go back to work. سر کار. Why do you want to come back? چرا میخوای why do you want برگردی to come back? You know that after want we use the form like after modals. That's why I have this example here. برگردم برگردی. Now we have the verb bargardaandan, means to give back. Give me some money, I will pay you back next week. یک کم بهم پول بده. Give me some money. هفته دیگه next week بهت برمیگردونم. برمیگردونم. I will give you back or pay you back. I returned the phone to its owner. گوشی رو به صاحبش برگردوندم. برگردوند is here the stem for your conjugation, and then we have I, so برگردوندم. Take me back to the hotel. من رو به هتل برگردون. So the imperative is برگردون. You have to return it. You have to take it back. باید برگردونیش. So forget this one, it. Then you have modal باید, must. برگردونی. برگردون is the stem here. And then we have you برگردونی. This she is an object ending. So for it, it's connected to this verb. باید برگردونیش. Then we have the verbs پس دادن to give back, پس گرفتن to take back. I order from Amazon or on Amazon. If I don't like it, I will return it. از آمازون سفارش دادم. اگه خوشم نیاد, if I don't like it, پس میدم. I will return it. So we have دادن. The stem is de, as you know, as we have learned before. Then we have میدم. پس میدم. Be sure that I will get my money back. مطمئن باش. Be sure. پولم رو, my money, پس میگیرم. Will take my money back. So پس گرفتن. The stem is گیر. میگیر. We have this fixed prefix here. پس میگیر. Then we have I میگیرم. پولم رو پس میگیرم. I have not returned the books yet. هنوز yet کتاب ها رو پس ندادم. So it's past tense, but it is actually here present perfect. دادم، ندادم، پس ندادم. The seller didn't take the clothes back. فروشنده لباس رو پس نگرفت. Here to take back. پس گرفتن. گرفت، نگرفت، پس نگرفت. Give my phone back. گوشیم رو, my phone, پس بده. So imperative is پس بده. Take back what you said. We have پس گرفتن. حرفت رو پس بگیر. So for پس گرفتن we have the imperative form پس بگیر. حرف means your words. Take back your words or what you said. With modals, I want to give it back. Again, we have want as modal here. میخوام پسش بدم. میخوام, I want to give it. Here we have again object ending. You can add it here. You can also add it here as we had before. Both are correct. میخوام پسش بدم or میخوام پس بدمش. Both are commonly used by people in Persian. Maybe he will take it back. He must take it back. شاید پس بگیره. So here we have the word شاید, which is kind of modal. So we have this form after that. پس بگیره. پس بگیر and then because of he or she. شاید پس بگیره، باید he must پس بگیره. He must take it back.